VR is a thing that most people have been hoping that it will become a massive thing since when I was a kid. And even though there's been quite a few VR headset releases, nothing's dominated the VR world yet. But last year, Apple released their Apple Vision Pro in America, and all I've been thinking since that day is this the one that does it? So with the UK release of the Apple Vision Pro yesterday, I had to go and copy it and find out. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the Apple Vision Pro, talking about its specs and what it does. So if this is the video that you was hoping that I was gonna tell you my opinion on it, nah, that's the next one. But if you're looking forward to seeing what it does, then stay tuned.
I've been playing games in the fun house, couple big names in the fun house. I'll be in my lane in the fun house, fully entertained in the fun house. Fun house, fun house, fun house, fun house, fun house.
So the Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first VR headset. It comes in 3 different storage versions. The 256 gigs at $3,499, the 512 gigs at $3,699, and the largest being the 1 terabyte at $3,899. It's got a 3D display with 2 micro OLED displays on each eye, with a refresh rate of up to 100 Hz and supports playback multiples of 24 and 30 frames per second. It airplays at 720p on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, and AirPlay enabled smart TVs. It's got 2 high-res main cameras, 6 world-facing cameras, and 4 eye-tracking cameras on the inside. For security, it uses Optic ID, which scans your eyes to unlock the device and lets you buy stuff. And for audio, it's got spatial audio with head tracking and a 6-mic array, which I'm not sure what that even is, and can be connected to your AirPods. The battery lasts up to 2 hours for general use and 2.5 hours if you're just watching videos on it, and it's got Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and Bluetooth 5.3. So now that's all out of the way, let's talk about what's in the box and how it works. So in the box, you get the headset itself, which comes with the light seal, cover, and solar knitted band already attached to it, a dual loop band, a light seal cushion, a polishing cloth, the battery, the USB-C power adapter, and a 1.5 meter USB-C charging cable. Oh, and you can buy optical inserts if you're a glasses wearer like me, but mine haven't come yet. So the way it works is that the battery connects to it externally and can be connected to the charging cable whilst the headset's being used, or you can disconnect the battery from the headset and charge it separately. It's got a button at the top that lets you turn the headset on, switch into camera mode to take pictures and films directly from the headset, confirm app purchases, and do a couple other things like screenshot and force quit apps when you press it simultaneously with the crown button. Now the crown button lets you reset the position of any screens or apps you're using and brings up your app options. You can dial it clockwise or anti-clockwise to immerse yourself into a VR world or bring you back into real reality. And it also controls the volume level depending on which of the 2 options you're focused on, but we'll get into that in a second. So when you start the device, it makes you scan your hands, and then you have to do a few tests, which I'm guessing help with the eye tracking and the hand tracking as well. So this thing's got no remotes, like it works on eye tracking. So whatever you focus on, it highlights the option and then lets you action it by pinching your fingers together. To scroll, you pinch your fingers and then you push up or you push down, and then to make something larger or shrink, you push your 2 fingers together and you pull or you push together. Now, as I said, if you press the crown, then it brings up your app options. So with the apps, you got a small number of built-in apps to work specifically with the AR and VR features. And then you also got a folder with compatible apps, which ain't got no AR features, but basically it's stuff that you would have used in your iPhone. So you got the App Store, Files, Freeform, Keynote, Mail, Messages, Music, Notes, Photos, Safari, Settings, Tips, Apple TV, the Mindfulness app, which until now was only available on the Apple Watch, and the newest app, which is the Encounter Dinosaurs app, which is an interactive experience that lets you come face to face with dinosaurs. Now, obviously the App Store's got a bunch of apps that you can buy, so you can get game apps like Super Fruit Ninja, Virtual Chess, and you've even got a Family Guy Mario Kart kind of game. You got entertainment apps like Disney Plus and NBA Live, and for productivity you got Word, Zoom, and a couple other apps like that. Now the headset's got some crazy features to it, like immersive photos and videos, which lets you experience memories like you're reliving them. You got immersive environments, so you can be in so many different places without even leaving your sofa. Spatial audio, which makes the sounds that you're listening to sound like they're coming from different directions all around you. Screens that you can place anywhere and they'll just stay there until you decide to move or close them. Voice control, Mac virtual display, which you can take your screen from your Mac and then afterwards you can put the screen anywhere you want, and you can have multiple screens in this as well. So rather than buying multiple monitors, you can just use that. Travel mode, which makes sure you get smooth playback and performance if you're traveling on a plane or in a car, and a whole lot of other features. Now I just got the headset yesterday, so I got a whole lot of things that I want to try on it, but I'll be releasing another video to let you know my opinions on the headset, if I recommend anyone buys it, what you use it for, and things like that. But based on everything that that I said the headset does, would you spend the 3,500 on it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to watch the follow-up video as well. I'll be back with an update real soon, so thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon.